Hey, there's Marcus McCurry with DFW Fence. We're installing some pipe rail today. We're going to clean it real quick. I want to show you what we're doing. This is a simple, fast way just to clean up some pipe rail fencing. A lot of times when you buy this pipe rail, you're going to buy this product right here. This is called CLR. This is calcium lime rust remover. You're going to take this calcium lime rust remover. You're just going to apply it to the metal. You notice right here where I haven't applied. You notice here where I have applied. It just starts eating the rust off. You can notice on this post right here we're installing up above where the rust still is. So it's an easy way just to clean pipe rail fence. A lot of times when you buy pipe rail like this, it'll come out a little bit rusted. These are oil field rejects, basically is what they call them. It's rejected pipe from the oil field that they won't put in the ground. So we're installing it. You notice here where I've gotten to here and I've cleaned this top rail with the CLR, and like right here on this post where I kind of started and I haven't yet. It's a nice way just to clean up the rust. I stopped right here. You notice here we haven't touched it. It's a nice way to clean the rust off your pipe rail. That way you can apply some paint to it. Some people don't apply paint to this install. We're going to apply a black, just a Rust-Oleum black paint over the top of this. We'll let this dry out. It's got a little film on it right now. We'll let that dry out for the afternoon and we'll apply paint to it tomorrow.